sail the 7 seas. Oh no, man overboard. Hi guys, welcome back to Unbox. I'm happy to see you made it today. Oh, well let's get started. Let me find what we're unboxing. Oh. Got it. Look, we have Duplo Legos today. We get to build a house. But I bet there's a lot of other stuff we can build too. So let's start by unboxing. First, we have to find the seed right here. Okay. Did it. I like that picture. I think I'm gonna have to save that for later. We'll start off right here. Oh, look at that! All these pieces, nice. In this box, we are supposed to make a house, but I think we can make something even cooler first. So let's start off by making something just from our imagination. Let me see here. Let me get this little puppy out. I think I'm gonna make my puppy a cool car to drive on. So first off, let's put a flower on the car to make it look pretty. But look, it came with some instructions. So let's try and build the house. All right, so this is gonna take a little bit of time, but let's see if we can do it. Looks like we start off with the big green flat piece. So big green flat piece is down on the bottom. Then we have to take a couple other pieces and flip them over. Just like this. This is fun. And we're gonna have to find the window, put the window on just like that. And the window door. Perfect. It's already looking like a house. This is pretty awesome. Let's see what else we have. Next thing is gonna be our top right here. And then we have to have another couple other pieces. Right here, and right here. Good thing I'm really good at building Legos. You guys are probably really good at building Legos too. Ta-da! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna lay here with our toys. Put the dog on here, have them go for a ride. Vroom, 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 vroom. I'm gonna start off with my car. Then I'm gonna go with my box right here. Cool. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And I'll put this on top, just like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab this right here and put this right there. Then I'm gonna do another one right here. You guys think you know what it is yet? Do you have any guesses? I think I can keep going. I'll put another piece here. And what did I make? I made a little choo-choo train. Choo-choo, chicka, 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 chicka. And look, it even has a spot for our little guy. I'm gonna sit down in there, just like that. And there we go. I think that's pretty cool. All right, well, I think I can make something else. What should I build next? Well, I made a house, and I made a train. So now I'm gonna make a boat. A boat, why not? That'd be fun. So we're gonna take this boat right here, just like this. Perfect. I love it. Sail the 7 seas. Oh no, man overboard. Put that together like that. Put this on top. It's gonna fly through the air. I'm gonna put an extra piece under here, so I need another one of these. There we go. And look, I made a super cool rocket. Bye guys.
Tham gia nhiều khóa học thú vị tại Boss Kids lên nhé!